So I'm going to show you how to hide apps from the apps and home screen of your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So long press on empty space on the home screen and then tap on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and you will see Hide Apps on Home and Apps screen. Tap on that and then you can choose all the apps you want to hide. So I'm going to hide the calculator app, I'm going to hide Chrome and this clock app. Okay, so any app you select is going to be added to the hidden apps list, and then make sure you tap on done in the top right corner and those apps are now hidden. So when you go to the home screen or the app screen, you will not see any of those apps anywhere. Okay, to unhide, again, go to the same place, home screen settings, go back to the hide apps on home and app screen menu. Then you want to remove these apps from here. So there's a little minus icon in the top left corner of every app. So you want to tap on that to remove, remove, remove. Then make sure you remember to tap on done. And those apps will be back to your home and apps screen. Thanks for watching and good luck.